Yo, what's good? I'm back at it again. My journey to become a singer. So what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just show y'all steps in the process of learning how to sing. This will be about a year later, you know what I'm saying? So it's still rusty, but still training. Still building vocal range. So let's go. I'm gonna do this song right here. 1, 2. That's my coach in the back. Say goodbye to what we had. The good times that made us laugh outweigh the bad. And I thought we'd get to see tomorrow. I hope it's worth all the wait. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. All I know is where we've been and what we've been through. Oh, if we get to see tomorrow, I hope it's worth all the wait. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. I don't know where this road is going to lead. Now, see what I'm doing right now is I understand I'm off key. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna stop for a minute. I understand because after training for about a year, you know what I'm saying, I can hear myself now, and I can hear when I'm off the pitch and I'm off the beat. You know what I'm saying? So the thing is this. Through the growth process, you learn stuff that you never knew that was troubled areas you had in your past. You see what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? Some of my notes a little too pitchy, some of it kind of flat. So the whole key to the singing is this right here. You have to, it's kind of being able to see things that you couldn't see before. But in order for this to happen, you have to train. And it's going to be times where the road get tough. You know what I'm saying? Your vocals, some of it going to sound good, some of it going to sound bad. And you're going to get frustrated. You're going to feel some type of way. But you got to continue going. Because like they say, practice make perfect, and that mean a whole lot. So, you know, I'm just showing you as I go on my journey and my success to singing. You know what I'm saying? Because I rather, when you see for yourself and understand that, okay, he couldn't hold certain pitches, he couldn't, some notes sound good, some sound bad. So now that's when I go to my coach, and you know, certain notes, I go to my coach and say, listen, man, you know, I'm really having a hard time getting this note right here. And a real coach gonna be able to listen to you and say, okay, let me hear what you got going on. Who's a trained coach? And then put you on the right guidance. So I'm gonna continue my journey, and y'all stay tuned. My journey to become a great singer.